Please take a time to listen to my voice, my darling child. You are going to rise above this more resilient, courageous, and faith-firm. I have ordained you for a reason, and nothing can stop it. Run to me, rely on me. I am your rock, your loving Father, and your Redeemer. You have carried the burden, and I will never abandon you. Of the world for your loved ones, giving your all right now as you enter my presence and allow the hope that only I can give you to fill your heart. My power is to ignite a spark of regeneration within your soul with the warmth of my love, already directing your life and working miracles beyond your wildest expectations, because your faith has endured solid. You've taken the trusting step, and I'm here more closely than you can imagine. You called, and I answered right away, letting you know that I'm moving on. I'll give your years insight and meaning on your behalf, and you'll grow into a light to others who are still looking in the dark. I hear you pray, my child. You reach my heart with every word and sigh, and I eagerly await your response. Not always as you anticipate, but always when you need to give up your viewpoint and let me change it to reflect my truth. I am the path, the reality, and the existence in my. You'll discover every answer, every comfort, and every step. Moving forward, I am the one who can release you from the bonds of dread, regret, and despair. Are not able to compete with my grace today, as I give you fresh life and erase the "my love is holy," and I will take the grief of your past and turn it into joy, steadfastly illuminating every aspect of your being. You are never truly alone. I have never left you, not even in your darkest hours, and I will never again gaze upon your hardships. Eyes, they are not setbacks, but rather stepping stones that help you develop. And victory. I won't allow you to revert to feelings of loneliness or dread. Instead, focus on you've been granted a fresh start, and the benefits I've planned are already on their way. One of bravery, faith, and triumph. Avoid going back to the shadows of your past. Instead, bravely face the destiny I have planned for you, knowing that your adversaries will falter, and the storms of despair will sweep across the void, the despair. And because I am with you, you can always rely on me and find a means to overcome loneliness. You will overcome mountains of adversity with strength you never imagined imaginable, with resolute determination. It's not difficult to find calm even in the middle of mayhem. Will overwhelm you because I am your stronghold. Rest in peace now and have faith in my unwavering affection. I never forget or abandon my children. Your name is etched in my commitment to you, and my heart are unshakable, sealed using the sacrifice I made.